Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made these super cute Pokemon inspired gel polish nails. These are my natural nails and as you can see it also looks pretty darn cute on a shorter nail. So no worries if you don't have natural long nails like I do, this design will look really cute on short nails as well. So if you want to know how I made this, please keep on watching. So on first, I didn't really know what I wanted to do other than using some of my new Madam Glam gel polishes as well as some really cute water decals. On my left hand, by the way, I get asked that a lot what color it is. It is 43, I'll cover you. This one is by Essence, it is a regular nail polish. But back to the tutorial. So first up, I wanted to file a little bit off of some nails, buff up the surface of the area just slightly. You don't want to go in with a really rough grit buffing block or anything like that. This is just a really soft one just to remove the shine off of the nail and make sure you have a nice surface to which your gel polishes will adhere better. So after that, I always take a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I have the 96%. I just get this at my local drugstore and I just spritz it on from my little like spray bottle. Then I'm going in with my Madam Glam base coat gel. This is just a regular soak off base coat. I love this one. It makes it so intensely easy to get rid of my manicure once I'm done with it. I want to try something else or anything like that. Usually my Madam Glam designs, or at least the designs I make with Madam Glam gel polishes, at least as a base, last for at least 3 weeks on my nails, and that is a pretty long time for a soak off gel polish in my opinion. But you just want to apply that base coat, cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'm going in with Scoop of Vanilla. This one is from a new spring color collection from this year by Madam Glam, and it is just a really nice, like off-white beigey kind of color. It really does remind me of like vanilla ice cream, which is my favorite how do you say that, flavor. Sometimes my brain is just too Dutch and I think in Dutch and I have to translate it into English, so sorry if I'm a little bit rambly sometimes. Most of you really don't mind that, but yeah, it's just because I am born and raised in the Netherlands, so Dutch is my like mother tongue and English is just something I taught myself. So yeah, you want to go in with that Scoop of Vanilla color to make it completely opaque. I just added 2 layers and cured each layer in my LED light for 30 seconds. I really wanted to show you how this design would also look on shorter nails because I do get asked quite a lot how I would make something like this on shorter nails, and since my thumb was broken and I didn't want to add a new tip to prolongate or like elongate the length, I just felt like I'm going to show you what it looks like on shorter nails as well. So I just wanted to add a little bit of sparkle in here because you guys know me, I love my glitter, I love my sparkle, and you have been asking me to do something with like glitters and just all of the nail art stuff that I got, because I've got a whole lot of nail art stuff, let me tell you that. So I just add a little bit of some like orangey holographic glitter. This glitter, I think I got it from eBay or AliExpress like 2 years ago or something. I bought like 3 packs of 30 like little containers of glitter, and I'm not sure where I got this one, but it's just a nice like orangey towards greeny holographic one. And I did wanted to really use these water decals, which I got from AliExpress. If you want a link, just ask me in the comment section down below, or I might even look it up already and just add it in the description box. I'm not sure about that, but just ask and I will reply to you personally as soon as possible. So I just really wanted to add a cute little Pikachu to the thumbnail. I didn't want to add too many decals. As you will see later on in this video, I did apply a couple more to the longer nails, such as the pointer finger and the middle finger, but because this is quite a small nail, or at least it's really small and just really short for me personally. I didn't want to add too much, so I just added a Pikachu, a little cute star, and the Pokemon logo. And then to seal it all in, I'm going in with the regular top coat by Madam Glam. This is also a soak off top coat. So you do have to get rid of the sticky layer after curing for 30 seconds, but I always do that with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. And key is for this one, or at least that's something that I have noticed, that a little bit goes a really long way. You don't really need to like smother it on and drown the nail. Also because then you will have some spillage on the cuticles even, or maybe the skin next to the nail, and that's not what you want. Just make sure you don't have any gel polish onto the skin or cuticle before you cure, because otherwise it will burn and hurt, and you simply just don't want that. Then for the other nails, I'm going in with my base coat again, and starting off with the pointer finger, applying 2 layers of that scoop of vanilla color. And I really wanted to mention also that I really appreciate you guys noticing that my length is like fully back on these 4 nails again. Most of you might know that I actually broke a couple of my nails around Christmas time, and since Christmas my nails have been like back growing to their full potential and just long and luscious, and I love it. This is like my favorite length. I'm even thinking about now recording this voiceover. I'm still wearing this design actually for about 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks. I'm actually thinking of shortening them just a little bit, just to make sure that they don't get too long and to make sure I won't break any. You guys know I do have a full-time job, so doing nails is not my main job in life. It's just a really big hobby, and I love making videos for you guys. And I just really wanted to say a big thank you to all of you noticing how much care, time and effort I do put in my videos, as well as in my own nail and hand care, just to make sure that I provide you guys with some good quality content, you know? And you might even have like some helpful tips for others as well. So you're always more than welcome to comment, and I really do appreciate guys for watching all the time. I love you so much, and I don't even know how to put it in words how much I appreciate you guys. But I just really wanted to put it out there that I really do. I notice and see all of your comments, and I'm just so grateful for that. So thank you so much. For the pointer finger, as I said, I just added 2 layers of that scoop of vanilla, cured each layer for 30 seconds, added some of that lovely orangey holographic glitter. By the way, I did add those glitters with a silicone tool. I just really love it that way, because brushes can ruin the sticky layer a little bit and give it a little bit of like, how do you say that? Like, it's not completely smooth anymore. And with the silicone brush, I feel like the colored gel polish layer, which is already fully cured, stays perfect. So yeah, for the pointer finger, I just added a cute little Psyduck, a little Togepi, a little star, and a Pokeball. And I just think it looks so adorable. And then again, after I have applied all of my water decals, I just apply them randomly. It is totally up to you what decals you do want to use if you decide to purchase this water decal sheet as well. I just really liked it. I especially wanted to add a couple of more yellow toned to orangey toned Pokemon, because I am going to use this really cool chameleon gel, which actually turns from a bright red towards a beautiful like neon-y orange to yellow shade. It is so gorgeous. I love it. I'm actually watching my hand right now. Now I'm doing this voiceover, and it's just gorgeous. Just look at that. Look at that color changing when I'm applying it onto my nails. So for this particular chameleon gel polish, the hotter it gets, the more towards the yellowy orange tone it goes. So especially if you have longer nails like I do, my tips are usually pretty cold. So if you have cold nails or cold fingers, it will be a bright like red towards orange, and the hotter it gets, the more towards the yellowy orange it gets. I really love this one. It is just so summery, and I really love the glitter in here as well. So there's like different sizes of glitter in here. I think it's more towards like a silvery glitter. It's not really holographic or anything like that, but it's just a really nice like chunkier glitter and a little bit more of a finer milled glitter. I just really love it. So I'm just going to apply, I think I applied 3 layers in total because it was a little bit sheer for just 2 coats. I don't really mind that. The gel polishes apply really easily and they aren't that thick, or at least I applied thin layers to make sure that I didn't have like a really thick layer of gel in the end. I like my nails because they are natural. I like them to still look really natural as well, so I don't like applying too thick layers of gel or anything like that, just to make sure they still look natural and just nice. I really love the look of natural nails. So I just applied 3 layers in total and cured each layer for 30 seconds. I just really love the way this looks. It is super summery. I love the glitter. It just gives a little bit extra of like oomph. I don't even know how to say this. It's just a little extra. I really like this. And I think it does match the Pokemon nails quite well as well. So just apply as many layers as you want to. Again, if you don't have longer nails, but you do want like a similar effect, what you could do is just apply a yellowy orange and make an ombre or gradient fade towards a red. Then you can have like the same effect as well and just add a little bit of glitter in there, or maybe you already have 2 glittery gel polish colors which will match this perfectly. But just make sure that after every layer is fully cured, you just go in with your soak off top coat again, or any top coat of your likings, and cure that for 30 seconds into LED as well. Then for the middle finger, I just decided I wanted another Pokemon nail, so I added 2 layers of that scoop of vanilla color, making sure that it's completely opaque, and then going in with that nice orangey holographic glitter again. I just really love how it looks. I did decide to apply this before going in with the water decals. It is totally up to you what you want to do. You could also just apply the decals first and then go in with your glitter. That is totally up to you. I didn't really mind going in with the glitter first, but yeah, as I said, just make up your mind what works best for you personally. So as far as the glitter goes, I already mentioned that I got this in a 30 pack from eBay or AliExpress. They were really affordable, like $6 for 30 shades or something like that. So you could use any cosmetic glitter. Just look it up at AliExpress, like cosmetic nail glitter or anything like that, and you will easily find these as well. But then I did skip a little bit. Now I'm looking back at it, but I just added a couple of more decals onto the middle finger, just the Pokemon logo again, and some other cute Pokemon. Again, another Pikachu and a Charmander, a little Pokeball, and another little star. I really wanted to add these stars like throughout this design, just for a little extra sparkle and cuteness, you know. And to finish it all off, I added a layer of gel polish top coat, just a regular one, so you do have to get rid of the sticky layer afterwards. And yeah, that is already this entire design. I really hope you like it. If you recreate this, do let me know. I'm really curious about it. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and I'm really curious as well which one is your favorite Pokemon. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.